Okay, cruising right along here, problem 6.6.34. 2 log base 10 of x plus 3 equals this. Just like our last one, except it's log base 10 this time. So if you watched the last video, this is going to be the same approach. So the first step is I'm going to take that 2 up here to the exponent. So it's going to be log base 10, in this case, of x plus 3 to the second power equals my log of 3x plus 9. And hopefully in this case, it just really makes sense. And if you've got log of something here and it equals log of something here, those two things I underlined in yellow just have to be equal to each other for the two logs to equal. So we're just going to solve that basic quadratic is really all it is. Don't forget what a squared does here. You're doing x plus 3 times x plus 3. So hopefully by now you've done enough of those that you're going to remember that middle term of 6x and not lose it in the process. So it's going to look like that. And then my next part. So if I subtract those 9's off both sides, they're going to go away. Subtract 3x on both sides, I'm going to have x squared plus 3x equals 0. And then if I factor out an x there, x, and then x times x is the x squared, and x times 3 equals my 0. Don't forget your zero product property now. Either this is 0, because 0 times whatever that is would equal to 0, or when does x plus 3 equal 0? If you subtract that to the other side, -3. Now, whenever you get these problems, we got to double check, because remember, what's inside of a log expression in here cannot, inside the log expression, it cannot be a negative number. Now, over here, we probably don't have to worry about this because you've got this exponent, so squaring a number is going to be positive. You know, you could get a 0 there, so it has to be positive. If I put the -3 in here, though, so 10 to what power equals 0? And that's not possible. So really, I guess that's true that both of them, that comes out to be a log base 10 of 0. And there is no 10, remember, to what power? The answer to this is a power. 10 to what power equals 0? That's not possible. So this is an extraneous solution. Not sure I used that word. It was in the question on the last one, but it's called extraneous. And the 0, if you put a 0 in both of these, you get a positive in there, so that still works. So you've got one real solution. The solution that's not extraneous, or the actual solution to the problem in this case, was this 0. And then the one, oh, there is no, that's not the right answer. The solution that's not extraneous is a 0, and the solution that's extraneous would be this -3. So the correct answer on mine, the way it's written, is C.